Welcome back to our Power BI tutorial series. In the previous video, we explored Power BI's key components. Today, we're diving into the most crucial aspects of Power BI: data transformation, data modeling, and DAX, data analysis expressions. These are the building blocks for creating insightful reports. Let's get started. Before we start visualizing data, we need to clean and prepare it properly. This is where Power Query comes in. What is Power Query? Power Query is Power BI's data transformation engine, helping users connect to different data sources, Excel, SQL, APIs, etc. Clean and reshape data, remove duplicates, format columns, filter records. Merge and append datasets. Combine multiple tables for better analysis. Let's see some common data transformation tasks inside Power Query. Example 1. Removing null values. We often deal with missing data. In Power Query, simply select a column, go to Transform, and click Remove Empty Dot. Example 2. Merging two tables. If we have sales data and customer data in separate tables, we can use merge queries to create a relationship between them. Example 3. Changing data types. Data types are crucial in Power BI. Always ensure your dates, numbers, and text fields are correctly formatted before loading data. Once we've cleaned the data, we hit Close and apply to load it into Power BI for analysis. Now that we have clean data, let's talk about data modeling. A well-structured data model is essential for efficient reporting. Best practices for data modeling: use a star schema instead of a single large table. Separate fact tables, transactions, and dimension tables, categories, dates, products. Establish relationships between tables instead of duplicating data. Example: in a sales report, the fact table stores sales transactions, while the dimension tables store customer details, product info, and time data. This helps in better performance and easier reporting. In Power BI, we can define relationships between tables using primary and foreign keys, making it easier to create reports with dynamic filtering. Now comes the real power of Power BI. DAX, data analysis expressions. DAX helps us create custom calculations and aggregations. Key types of DAX formulas. Calculated columns. Add new columns to a table. Measures. Perform calculations at the report level. Aggregation functions, sum, average, count, etc. Let's go over some commonly used DAX formulas. This formula calculates the total revenue from the sales table. Here, we divide the total profit by total revenue to get the percentage of profit. This function compares sales performance with the previous year. DAX formulas help us create advanced metrics, making our reports more dynamic and insightful. That's it for today's session on Power Query, data modeling, and DAX. In the next video, we'll explore how to build interactive dashboards with Power BI visuals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next tutorial.